Hello, my friend. How are you? Today we will learn a very important tense. Present simple. We will learn present simple, form, uses, questions, negative. Form. Subject plus base verb plus complete sentence. Don't forget to add s or at-s to verb for singular noun. The link of subject-verb argument grammar will show at the top of screen. You must watch it to understand today's grammar.
When the subject is singular, he, she, it, add s to the verb. S but if the verb ends in ch, shish, o, x, ss, z add s. Don't worry, we will explain that in another lesson.
Let's continue. Uses, main functions, habits and routines, daily actions, facts, fixed timetables, schedules, feelings and states, stative verbs, instructions, short commands. 1. Habits and routines. I brush my teeth every morning. She goes to the gym 3 times a week. They watch TV after dinner.
Daily actions. I wake up early, I wash my face, I call my friend and then I go picnic. 2. General truths and facts. The sun rises in the east, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, cats like milk. 3. Fixed timetables and schedules. The train leaves at 7:30 every morning. 7:30. The shop opens at 9 a.m. and closes at 10 p.m. 9:10. My English class starts on Monday at 5 p.m. 5. 4. Feelings and states, stative verbs. I like chocolate. She knows the answer. We believe in hard work. This book belongs to my friend. Stative verbs describe a state rather than an action. They usually refer to thoughts, feelings, emotions, senses, possession, or relationships. Are not normally used in continuous tenses. Examples like love, hate, want, need, know, believe, belong, prefer, seem. I know the answer. She likes chocolate. 5. Instructions and directions. First, open the box. Then, take the card. Next, write your name at the top. Finally, hand in your paper. Question form. Yes, no and WH, yes, no question. Form, do, or, does plus subject plus base verb. Do, to, I, you, we they does, to, he, she, it. Do you study English? Does she work here? Short answers. Do you like tea? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does she work her? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Form WH question. WH question plus do, does plus subject plus verb. Where does he live? What do they do? WH question, what, where, when, which, who, whose, why, how. Note, we put modular verb, do, does, before the main verb. Note 2, put adverb of frequency before the main verb. Negative form, subject plus, do, does, plus not plus verb. Do, does is the auxiliary that shows the tense, the main verb stays in base form, no s after it, for example, he does not play, not. He does not plays. Examples. 1. I do not like pizza. 2. They do not watch TV in the morning. 3. He does not speak French. Not in question and negative we put the base verb, don't add s, she doesn't drink. When does he play tennis? Common mistakes. He don't like football, correct is. He doesn't like football, she do her homework, correct is. She does her homework, I am tired usually in the morning, correct is. I am usually tired in the morning. A. Fill in the correct form, present simple. 1. I, work, from 9 to 5. 2. She, not, like coffee. 3. Where, live, your parents. 4. He, go, to school by bus. One. I work from 9 to 5. 2. She doesn't like coffee. 3. Where do your parents live? He goes to school by bus. Make a question. 1. You watch, do, TV, in the evening. 2. What, she, does, do, at the weekend. One. Do you watch TV in the evening? 2. What does she do on weekends? Find the wrong. 1. They doesn't eat meat. 2. He doesn't goes to his friend. 1. They don't eat meat. 2. He doesn't go to his friend. Thanks for watching, you are amazing. Subscribe and join to our English group.